Creating a folder. Click on Start button and select Computer to open the Explorer. Double-click to open the selected drive. To create a new folder, right-click and select New Folder. Here we have created a new folder having default name New Folder. Rename the folder with your suitable name. Double-click on the folder to open the folder. To show the properties of the folder, right-click and select Properties. To delete the folder, right-click and select Delete. Deleted folders are stored in Recycle bin. If you want to restore it, right-click over it and select Restore. To copy a folder, right-click and select Copy. To paste the copied folder, right-click and select Paste.